So I'll be showing you how to enable or disable auto answer calls on your OnePlus 13. Simply go to settings. Under settings, go to mobile network, tap on that, and then scroll all the way down to call settings. Tap on that, and that should show you some call settings. Now you should see answer/end calls. Tap on that, and this is where you'll see auto answer calls when connected to external audio device. So this could be headphones or earbuds or a Bluetooth speaker. This is where you can enable or disable auto answer calls. Now once you enable, you can also tweak the delay. So maybe you can have the call ring for about 5 seconds before it's automatically received. Okay, so you can also adjust that to maybe 3 seconds or 10 seconds depending on what you want. But this is where to enable and disable. So currently it's enabled. To disable, turn it off like that. Thanks for watching and good luck.